Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Bath & Body Works Salty Caramel 3-Wick Candle. This is a candle that I bought. I believe they had this a limited edition, so I picked one up. The description reads, sweet cream and caramel sprinkled with glazed pecans. So it's a very, very basic description, but the packaging is pretty awesome and very different. You see an ice cream cone in there, which is kind of odd because it doesn't really have anything to do with ice cream or an ice cream cone, but the top of the ice cream cone looks like a popcorn ball that has caramel corn and possibly some nuts in there. Don't really see any pecans, just kind of caramel corn. So the packaging is cute, but a little bit odd to me given the description. So this candle has been burning like a charm for me. I've had absolutely no problems at all. The flames are high. The wicks have 4 mushroom tops and the wax pool is nice and even. I just lit this candle less than 10 minutes ago and we already have a really nice wax pool going. This is, I believe, my 3rd burn. So I've been doing, excellent with this candle. It's been a real treat and I really, really love it. The scent throw on this for me, I know a lot of other people were saying that the scent throw on theirs wasn't as strong, but mine is really strong. It fills the whole entire living room. I can smell the caramel. I can smell that it's, salty caramel, so you do get a little bit of that salt mixed in there. I smell kind of like roasted pecans or roasted nuts. And I also get a creamy butterscotch scent also. So it's a very, very good candle for the fall. I'm really enjoying it a lot. Don't think that you can buy this in the store anymore. I know that they do sell the wallflower bulbs that you can get online for it, but I don't believe that they have this candle anymore. But if you can get your hands on it, I highly suggest it. They have several different ways to package it. So if you do pick one up, make sure that you pick this packaging up because it is awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye, guys.